Your thoughts on the Marley Foundation, get involved with basketball at this level?
Yeah, it's been really fun to get a chance to meet Sedella and Cyan, and their support is unbelievable for us. And this event that they put on tonight is a great first step, if you will. I guess there's been a lot of steps behind us, but for some reason, this kind of feels like a first step as we embark on what I think is going to be a really cool journey. Happens in August 8th, 9th, and 10th in Mexico. That's really kind of where it kicks off for the team. And, if we do our job in August, there's going to be some really cool things ahead for basketball in Jamaica. So, yeah, this is a great night. The Bob and Rita Marley Foundation are so supportive of what we're trying to do, and can't wait to get going.
And how's preparation going for that competition?
Well, the preparation right now, to be honest with you, is trying to find the funding to make it happen. We got a lot of irons in the fire. We're working with players to try to put together the best group that we can. We're trying to talk to various corporations, individuals about getting behind this journey, getting behind what we're doing, because we think it could be a really special thing for the country, not just for the sport of basketball, but for the entire country. So we're working on a lot of different levels. We got a lot of pokers in the fire, and we're trying to put the best team we can together in August. And then hopefully we get to do it all over again in November.